backdrop more interesting. Here are some of my past projects for ideas. I love the look of a feminine floral design placed on top of a modern minimalist pattern. Here are some of my geometric backdrop flower arrangement designs. Floral design is both a decorative craft and a creative art form. In this section, we explore advanced floral design as art. While there is no single definition of art to be considered floral art, floral design ideas must be highly creative, original, and emotionally link the designer and the viewer. Floral design as art can be as simple as complementing existing paintings, photography, and sculpture with appropriate flowers and floral design. In this demonstration, we explore the techniques for placing fresh flowers in art frames. Most floral designers are familiar with the foliage of beargrass, but few have worked with or even seen the blossom. A member of the lily family, beargrass has a dramatic and highly fragrant blossom. It is not grown commercially and only occasionally harvested from the subalpine areas of the Pacific Northwest. The beargrass blossom combined with its foliage and a piece of weathered forest would combine to make a beautiful design. The key to making paper flower art is starting with the right paper flower design. I love making paper flower arrangements for gifts and wall art, but not all my paper flower designs are ideal for this type of project. I find for paper flower art, when I have to make a bunch of different flowers, I want something quick. But quick doesn't have to mean simple or boring. There is a lot you can do with spiral paper flower designs, not to mention all the different patterns you can use to make the back.